Good morning, everybody, and welcome to the Overnight Action Report here at MarketStream.live. We're going to take a look at Asia. My name is Joseph Cusick from the Cusick Group. Securities offered by MoneyBlock. Let's jump right in. The Japanese Nikkei overnight lost 0.8%, and we saw early in the session that the yen had some strength against the dollar, but it pulled off by the end of the session. And we had names like Fast Retailing, Takachi Life Insurance, Isuzu Motor, as well as NGK Insulators, all losing between 1.8% and 2.6%. That's the downside. On the upside, you did see Sony, Tokyo Electron, all posting gains between 1.2% and 2.4%. Now, EWJ is the ETF that tracks Japanese stocks on the Nikkei, and it's trading at $50.51. Over the next 3 days, it has a range of 78 cents, either up or down. And it also has a range for the next 10 days of 92 cents. So you could see it as high as 51.50 or as low as 49.50. Critical levels that you're going to want to see supported if the upside is going to continue in EWJ, 50.12. That's the short-term trend. That's the 20-day moving average. 49.95 is going to be a critical level for institutional support or midterm support. And then finally, you're going to watch 48.35. 48.35 is going to be a critical level. Now taking a look at the Hong Kong Hang Seng, that climbed about 0.8% with support from most of its components. You saw property names like Sino Land, New World Development, and Henderson Land all advancing between 1% and 1.9%. You did see a lag in some telecom names, and those telecom names like China Unicom Hong Kong, as well as China Mobile, shedding about 2.3% and 0.3% respectively. Now, EWH right now is trading at 2031. That's the ETF that tracks Hong Kong stocks. That has a 10-day range right now being priced in of around 40 cents. 1992, 2061, and 2050 are going to be critical levels that you're going to want to watch. 2050 is long-term resistance at this juncture, and 1992 is going to be that short-term trend support. Any break of those two is going to put some sentiment change either way for the bulls or the bears. Now, taking a look at the Chinese Shanghai Composite, it was down about 0.3% after the December PPI came in better than expected at 5.5% year over year. The expectations were 4.5%. Now, the consumer price index, though, came in at 2.1% year over year, which was a little bit lower than expectations of 2.3%. And that cooler expectation did temper any upside move. The National Development and Reform Commission in China also said that uncertainty will be on the rise in 2017, but the government's going to continue to keep tabs on that economic performance, and thus they will basically come in and do whatever they need to do to mark up their performance in their economy. We did see that Shanghai Material Trading and Shanghai Diesel Engine fell between 4.4% and 5.8%. FXI trades the 30 large cap stocks in the Shanghai Composite. It's trading at $35.80. It has a 3-day range of 64 cents and a 10-day range of 98 cents. 35.46, 36.28, and 35.51 are going to be critical levels that you're going to want to watch for both support and resistance for FXI. Now, India's Sensex, it finished the day up 0.7%, and it had growth-sensitive names leading the rally. Tata Motors, Tata Steel, Asian Paints all added between 1.5% and 3.3%. Financials were mostly higher with HDFC and ICICI Bank, as well as SBI rising between 0.3% and 1.5%. But we did see some weakness in Axis Bank, lost about 1.2%. EPI tracks Indian stocks. That ETF is trading at $20.49. It has a 3-day range of 43 cents, either up or down, and a 58-cent range for the next 10 days. So we'll keep an eye on that. 2026, 2038, and 2056 are going to be critical levels of both support and resistance that you're going to want to watch. All right, folks, that's it for the Overnight Action Report for Asia. Join me at 8:45 for On the Open in Europe. We're going to cover all the action here at MarketStream.live. Take care.